On the journey to become a parent, there are often many obstacles.
And that can be even more true for people in the LGBTQ community.
So we went to the UConn Center for Advanced Reproductive Services to learn how doctors there are helping people of all backgrounds realize the dream of becoming a parent.
Run, run, run!
Little Dylan is almost 2 now. Her moms, Rachel Prohatka-Spindel and Emily Pagano, went on quite a quest to create a family and found what they needed here at the Center for Advanced Reproductive Services in Farmington.
I think it was a really positive experience from the beginning, but you know, there's no book that somebody gives you on how to have a family especially when you identify as LGBT or queer, and so coming here, I think we had a lot of questions and had done some of our own research, but we're really looking for a team to help us sort through some of that.
Dr. David Schmidt is the lead physician here at the center.
We're very welcoming to all patients and all couples, very different needs that an individual might have, or a same-sex couple, whether it's male-male or a female-female couple. So we have a lot of different options, and we first try to sit with them and get to know them well and meet their needs.
Nurse Kathy Paniati is well-versed in options for couples in the LGBTQ community.
Traditionally, a lesbian woman would use a sperm donor and have an insemination. When it's a partnered couple, it gets more interesting. They have the option of doing something that we call shared conception.
That's what Rachel and Emily did. Emily carried Dylan, who came from Rachel's egg. If they had a second child, they'd like to try the reverse. It wasn't all smiles in the beginning. They tried another fertility clinic that said they would have to pay out of pocket because insurance would not cover shared conception. The center here at UConn got everything covered.
They advocated for us and got it covered by insurance, and that was like completely the game changer in what we were able to do and make happen for our families.
Linda Estabrook is the executive director of the Hartford Gay and Lesbian Health Collective. She says where you go for care matters.
It's about creating a safe environment for individuals and having access to care and places that people can go and feel that they can be themselves and not have to worry that could be a detriment to getting the health care that they need.
Because not that long ago, people would have probably gone in and not discussed their sexuality at all for fear that they might be treated badly.
Exactly, exactly.
Fundraising helps make sure everyone gets access to the care they need.
And tell us about these guys. There's a party going on?
These are some of our friends for one big event, which is coming up on November 14th. It's our signature major fundraiser for the Health Collective every year. The characters were created by Adams and Knight.
The center at UConn is a sponsor of the event.
Last I heard, we've helped over 12,000 babies for all patients be born from our program dating back to 1999, and about at least 1,500 babies specifically to the LGBTQ community. I think there's a better awareness now for these patients, more resources, and more recently we've been involved and started a collaborative effort with Connecticut Children's Medical Center for young transgender patients to be able to preserve their fertility.
It is a really hard access point for a lot of families. It's like really sad to see and really unfortunate that that's the case, and something that definitely shouldn't be the case.
To make it easier, Rachel and Emily started a Facebook group to connect with other LGBTQ families at the center. And they're working on changing laws in Connecticut to help guarantee equal parental rights for all couples. Dylan's new milestones remind them each day why it's so important.
It's amazing and exhausting and so full of joy, and I think all the stages are unique and wonderful in their own way, and Dylan's doing so much talking and telling us what her thoughts are about the world, and you can ask her about her day now and she'll tell you, I did this and I saw this, and
it's been amazing.
Dylan is just one of the cutest little kids you're ever going to meet. She's so sweet. And they had a really positive experience at UConn. They want to make it that positive and great for all couples trying to conceive, regardless of their sexuality.
Yeah, you can get more information at uconnfertility.com.